Yo. Yo, yo, yo. Who's out there? Who's out there? Let's see who's out here. Who's out here? Hope you guys are having a good night. Hope you guys caught some of that fucking dump. Jesus. I guess the GDP, I guess Great Britain GDP is a market mover, huh? Huh? Coach Calvin, Stevie J, Chef Trades, Jamila, Raphael, One Trade a Day, MOBA, Bowser, JP. What is my time zone? I'm in Vegas, so I'm on specific time. What up, right? K9. So it's still, well, it's kind of late for me anyway, but this is what happens almost every day. I'm not trying to stay up until at least stay on the stream until fucking 4:30 like I did yesterday, whatever time it was. It was after 4 o'clock. What up, Christopher Branzall? Yeah, I got put in some holes. Couldn't get out of one of them. Actually, I couldn't get out of 2 holes. But that's the way the cookie crumbles. You know what I'm saying? Let me turn my fucking screen share on. We'll start from the beginning. You have taken all prop firms and have gone live for yourself. Good shit, man. I still think there's value in paying pennies on the dollar for prop firms versus, I get it though. But like, if you think about it, let's say an Apex account. Right now, 80% off Apex using code ZERODAYJAY, of course. But you do the math, 33 bucks. Let's just say Top Step, right? 200 bucks all in with a 50K and the XFA fee. $198 to be exact. You paid $198 to have $2,000 of drawdown. And yeah, you only get to keep half the money, yada, yada, yada. We get all that, for the first 30 days. But you're only paying 200 bucks for $2,000 of drawdown. So if you fucking blow that account because you blow through your drawdown, you lose 200 bucks. If you put $2,000 in a fucking live trading account and you fucking fuck up and you blow the account, it costs you $2,000. That's the difference. But obviously you feel like you're ready. So I don't blame you for doing it. I just wouldn't just completely abandon prop firms, but that's where my head's at. Clearly I'm not ready to trade a live account, not a live account, but a personal account. Obviously, especially lately. So I'm going to stay with prop firms for as long as they're around. But that's good, man. That's like the next step in the evolution for you, man. So I'm happy for you. And I hope it work. I hope you fucking are consistently profitable with it. I mean, if you want to take out a payout, you don't have to ask permission. You know what I mean? That's cool. You don't need to request. You just fucking say, give me some of this money, and you take it. So it's a totally different animal. When do I stop drinking coffee? Kane, I haven't. I stopped drinking coffee. I usually have like my last. If I don't have my last cup while I'm doing my power hour stream, I'll have another cup. Like sometimes I get through my third cup. I make a pot, and I have 3 cups. Damn, gold is pumping again. Crazy. NQ's bouncing again from dumping. How many points did it dump? On that GDP shit, 921 to 753. It dumped 100, basically 170 points. Wow. It just kept going down. 170 points. All right, let's see what the fuck's going on here. Let's turn this fucking screen on. AS, what up? Yeah, exactly, Bowser. That's what I'm saying. You know, I'm not poo-pooing trading a personal account. I get it. It's, you know, it's not a bad idea to reinvest your profits to get more profits. There's nothing wrong with that. You know? So, you know what I don't like, and it has nothing to do with anybody on here, but there are some people who poo-poo prop firm traders. Like they say, you're not a real trader if you're not trading a personal account. Why? You know what I mean? I'm not saying, you know, or they just talk, it's like beneath them. It's below them, some people. And they'll talk shit about someone like me who's a prop firm trader or a simfluencer, you know. I'm not even taking a shot at like Dakota, just people, like I've had like back and forths on Twitter. Like, bro, you know, I'm not out here fucking talking shit about you because you trade a live account. Like, I don't fucking care. Go get your money. But don't talk down something you don't understand, buddy. All right, so we got my screen on. All right, so I started my fucking day. I needed one more fucking day of $100 or more with my fund of futures, and this is what happened. I hit the fucking daily loss limit. How fucking pathetic is that? I can't believe it. It's like, and I was right. In both directions I went, I got stopped out and was right. Ended up being right. And then I just kept getting fucking yo-yoed around. It was a bad time. And my overarching thesis was correct. And I got fucked. But I fucked myself. So no payout party tomorrow. I still have the account. What I'm going to do is I'm going for the max payout. So whatever, I see the max payout or bust. So whatever happens, happens. But I'm going to see if I can push this thing like $500 to $1,000 tomorrow and then do it again on Monday, I guess, right? Because this is Thursday session. It is what it is. So that's how my fund of futures went. And I think I'm going to get another eval. I have an eval that I can reset. I still have $80 evals. And I could actually reset them for $76 because I use ACH. That's something some of you guys might not be aware of. If you fucking switch to ACH on my fund of futures, you can save 5% extra on accounts. 5% on resets, accounts, anything that's not part of a promotion, you can still save 5% on them if you switch to ACH. Little fucking secret. Dilzik, what up? Exactly, Bowser. What up, La Chaos? Elaine. Yeah, I just had like this. What up, Wiz No Fear? I just had this weird like back and forth with someone because there was like someone dude that's like teaches people how to trade and was talking about it was like something about it, you know, some trader of his that's like one of his students got denied an Apex payout, you know, and was like the end of the world. It was like, you know, he clearly very good chance he broke a rule, right? If he didn't break a rule, he'd probably get approved. But he still has the account, blah, blah, blah. And someone just started like shitting on me because I said that and just started shitting on me for being a prop firm trader and saying, oh, you know, the whole live account versus prop firm. I'm like, bro, I'm not out here fucking telling you you're a fucking, you know, you're a loser for fucking not trading prop firms. So what the fuck's your problem? You know, but whatever. It is what it is. It was like, that was a few weeks ago. But it just, you know, one trade a day reminded me of that. You know what I mean? Not that he ever said that, because he's a prop firm trader. He's a degenerate. Sharpmill, what up? Just reminded me of that. Told his long bullshit story. From the bottom, pray this holds. Wiz No Fears got that hopium. Le Chaos, Dildzik, Elaine. Prop firm trading is trading is hard in general. Fucking trading is hard. And sometimes like you just get fucking, you just, no matter what you do, you just keep losing. And then you just don't have fucking control, self-control to stop. You know, and that's what happened. I just couldn't fucking stop, and I couldn't stop losing. You know, so yeah, AS, exactly. About, you know, Dakota. And it wasn't even really directed towards Dakota, but he's like on this weird agenda that he's probably being told to fucking push about this whole Simfluencer thing. It was probably directed at Patrick, but you know, Patrick Weiland just got fucking paid $500,000 from Apex. Like, I'll take $500,000 in Simfluencer money. Then when I go to the store and I fucking put my fucking card on the machine with that Simfluencer money that I got paid, the fucking store, you know, Sprouts and, you know, Whole Foods, they take that shit. That money's good. They never said anything about that Simfluencer money. What up, Pharaoh? Yeah, right. Yeah, it happens, bro. G Matt, what up? How's my finger? Like, this thing is kind of like, this splint that is on here is like kind of heavy. So I think it hurts like constantly. But it also has, I also have pins in my fucking finger. I have a pin going through the fucking fingertip into this bone. And then I have another pin going, my finger's bent like this because this was dislocated and broken. And I have a pin going through this, like this, into this bone to hold it in place so it could fucking set without dislocating. So it fucking hurts. You know, it's just fucking annoying. I just can't wait for when it stops hurting. Fran, you, what up? Mr. Lady Whisperer. He got paid $800K. I think it was like 500 something from one payout, and then he might have gotten that total that month. But yeah, he fucking like, someone just got paid $1.5 million from Apex. But Apex doesn't pay their traders. No fun at TS. Nah, they're not staying in, GMAT. They get taken out. Yeah, Stevie J, you fucked with some copper, huh? What up, Crankberry? Yeah, I'm doing good. Aside from the fact that I fumbled the bag again. But don't worry, because what I did next was not any bag fumbling. What I did next was I locked in day 8 with these 2 funded accounts with Apex. Of course, I trade Apex the best. Why would I just walk away, Jay? Why would I walk away from the shit? I have my, for whatever reason, I do my best trading in Apex. So here we are, day 8, locked. I'm going to request $925 from both of these accounts. So I'll be requesting $850, $1,850. Not bad. Will I be approved? I'm leaning towards yes. I didn't see any fucking, I don't remember breaking any rules. Pretty sure I traded these accounts cleanly. And then these three are on day 4, and I'm already at $2,000, which is fucking great. Trading gold. But I also fucked myself trading gold in here on that My From the Futures account. And then I did this with a Top Step account, a Combine. So I'm halfway there. Can I finish the job tomorrow, Friday, whatever? Maybe. We'll see. And then I went into my Take Profit Trader account and blew an eval. Blew a test account that was fucking $780 away. And I'm glad I got caught in like this. It was right around when London opened, and I just got caught in these fucking like this shit. What's funny is I had an order. I took a screenshot. Watch this. And motherfuckers were laughing at me. They were laughing at me. God damn it. My fucking homies were laughing at me. Look at these motherfuckers. Anyway, so look, I placed an order to go long. I thought I placed it in both. Like I thought I had I thought I had the fucking group checked off. Turns out it wasn't checked off, and it just was just in one account. I canceled the fucking order, and it literally runs 30, 32, 31 or 32 ticks. That would have been fucking massive. That would have been what? It would have been too much. I didn't even need to get that much, but I would have fucking passed. I would have passed that eval. Instead, I started going against it, and I ended up blowing the account. I blew that account, and then I went and then passed this one. So at least I didn't blow both of them. I did pass one. This one's over. That's 3 days. Is that 3 days in? It's like 3 or 4 days in. So I got 3 or 4 days in, and I'm well over. All I got to do is flip the rest of the way. So at least I'll have one fun to take Private Trader account. I'll probably get some more evals, 1 or 2 more evals. But yeah, you know, not the result I was looking for specifically with this. It sucks, but hey, this one's over. So I'll have a fun to take Private Trader account in a day or 2 or 3 or whatever. Sometime I'm guessing sometime next week. And then we fuck around and find out again. So payouts locked, bag fumbled, blown fucking eval, past eval, halfway there with a fucking top step. And I have some bulenox. I didn't even activate. I have 3 bulenox funded accounts I have to activate. I didn't do that yet. Jeffrey Lambert, what up? How much time? I think you have like a week. I would hit up support though to confirm though. What up, Al Wimberly? You passed 3 take private traders, 2 days each. Yeah, with group trades. Yeah, I get it. I mean, look, at least you didn't say as soon as I get trading on Pro, I make $50. At least you didn't say as soon as I get on trading on Pro, I blow the account. I'm okay with that. $50 is $50, bro. You know? But yeah, GMAT, he'll be taking these pins out. I think he said like 2 or 3 weeks he wants to start taking them out. Well, I think he wants to leave one in longer than the other. I don't know. But I do want to trade some bulenox. I mean, Jesus, look at this fucking bounce. Oh, that's the NQ. But either way, 753, almost 80 points. Are we up? We're basically at like the midline of a fib. If I drew the Fibonacci, we'd basically be at the midline on this fucking shit. We're not quite there though. This is about the midline. Right here at this area of resistance. Watch this. A happy little Fibonacci. Maybe not quite halfway there, but look. Oh yeah, look, we're right on it. Look at that shit. And it rejected off of it. The 618 is up here, about 28 points away. And then on gold, I got a bunch of happy Fibonacci's on here. I got to fucking get rid of some of them because they're overlapping. Gold looks like it wants to fucking make new highs. Fucking gold is crazy. So gold went up almost up. Gold went up, well, from the top. It rejected off the 786 though. You see that? It rejected right off the very tip, just the tip of the fucking golden shower pocket. It dropped, and I saw that coming, and I just didn't trade it right. It was just too it was bouncing all over the place, but it went from 508 down to 346, 160 ticks, and it's back up 90 of them. So that's about at a 618. If I would have fucking, let's get rid of these happy Fibonacci's. Let's go to the 5-minute real quick. I just want to see. I just want to get into the smaller time frame. I mean, I don't know. Well, actually, the 15. Here's the 15. It's a happy Fibonacci. We're literally, look. Did you see that? Look, we were just at the 618 and we fucking just rejected hard. 20 fucking ticks, just like that. As I'm fucking drawing this shit out. Look, right on the fucking line. It's crazy. Will it continue to drop? I don't know. All I'm saying is that shit just fucking popped. I mean, it just rejected. And if I do a fib from the bottom here to the top, we bounced off the midline. I don't know. This thing, look, it's dropping. It's crazy. Avi, what up? Let's get to the 99% fib level. What up, P. Shenanigan? Jeffrey Lambert, I did say what's up to you, I think, but what's up again? Sparta Nick. I don't know how the market would react to that because there's money in war. And there's a lot of kickbacks. There's a lot of kickbacks in Ukraine aid. I can't wait for Doge to go through that. What a fucking rejection. Let's turn on GC. Let's turn on gold. We love gold. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. If he was here, he would tell you. The golden pocket. The golden shower pocket. Yeah, I actually learned that from Brett. I learned the golden pocket from Brett, and I learned a lot about the fib from this dude. He's got a channel called Trading Wars. He's not a futures trader. He's a options guy, spy. He likes to spy. I think that's what he really fucks. I think he fucks with Tesla too, but he's big into the spy. And he says, you see, guys, all you had to do, guys. You see this, guys? That's how he talks. Golden Pocket P. What up, Crank? So, yeah. That's what's going on. I don't know how much it's going to drop, though. I mean, it doesn't look. I mean, we do have like this little harmonic W. This is George W. This Whack Arnold's W here. I don't know if this is the spot. Usually it goes up a little higher, but makes a lower high before it fucking really dumps. But I don't know. I took trades. I've been taking trades all night, bro. All night, Farrell. All night. I will be doing an Apex payout request party during my whip stream tomorrow. Well, later on tonight. Thursday night. My son has soccer practice. And I will request from the whip. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it sooner. But I will be streaming. I will be doing a whip stream either way. He has practice at 7:25. I usually hop on sometime between 7:30 and 8. I drop him off, I park, I get set up, and then I hop on. Play a quick game of whack bag in the parking lot with the window down. Coach Singh, what up? Yes, sir. JC Trades, what up? D Money, thank you. Well, I don't know what I'm getting. Well, I'm going to be requesting $925 from these two accounts each. So $1,850. If I get approved, which I'm assuming I will, but I don't like to assume. I don't see why I wouldn't. It'll be my first payouts of the month. Finally. Finally on the fucking board. After man, I had accounts on day 8 just the other day and I fucked it up. All I needed was like $167. I couldn't fucking get the job done. Again, I had accounts on day 7 that were good, that were going to be $4,000, $2,000 each. Couldn't fucking Just couldn't stop fucking losing. That was in the beginning of the month. I had lots of accounts that I probably fucked myself out of between $5,000 and $10,000 this month alone in payouts. That's this month. Last month, probably another 10 grand. It's fucking annoying. Dave P. No, I need one more green day, but the thing I might run into is like what my biggest day was. Let me log into my account. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Look at gold. Right off the 618. Fucking crazy. Look at that. Look at that. This thing could fucking flush. 34 ticks already. 34 ticks. One mini is $340. Hold on a sec. I gotta hide my screen and log into my Fund the Futures account, all right? I'll show you. So there's a couple of things that could happen. Let's say I have another day, right? I get my $100 day in. We're going to do the math right now. All right. We're going to break it down right now. Let's just take a little peek-see at this again. Whoops. Interesting. All right. Definitely don't want to trade these anymore. All right. So my Fund the Futures. Here we go. Let me go down. My biggest day was $463. So let's say, and my balance is now, after fucking myself, it's at 352 in profit. So if I did 100, let's say I do $100 tomorrow, I would be in violation of the 40% rule. I need to grow the account to a minimum. And I'm going for the max payout anyway. Whatever happens, happens. But you just got to do the math. I need to get this account to a minimum of 1,074. So, and if I do that in one day, that's like $700, which will change that. You know what I mean? Like, I would have to do it over a couple of days. If I wanted to just go to 1,074, I couldn't do more than 463.92 was my biggest day. Fuck. Hold on. $463.92 divided by 0.4. I need to get this thing to 12. I can't request a payout in this My Fund the Futures account until I get to 11,059.80. I was at $1,562. All I needed was one more fucking $100 day. I still have the account though. It's not the end of the world. So my plan, I have a plan. My plan is just to get it back to this point and then request. So I won't be able to do it in one day. Like if I go 11:59, yeah, I can't do it in one day. If I want to go to 11:59, right? I'm at 352. If I want to go to 11:59 in one day, like if I want to get there in one day minus 352, I would have to do 807 in one day. But then what happens? 807 is the new number that is you have to do math. Now I have to grow this fucking account to 2017 to get a payout. So that's the problem. I can't do it in one day. So I'm going to have to trade this account for like 2 or 3 more days minimum to get it back to a payout. And I'm okay with that. It's what I get for fucking up. It's what I get, you know? So at least I got this Apex shit on. At least I'll be requesting payouts or later on today. You know what it is, Avi? They want to make sure that you're who you say you are. They want to get the KYC out of the way, Avi. Spartanik, I do not. I do not. Fran, you, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. CT Trading, what up? What up, Newt? Yeah. You know, that's just that's a confidence thing, bro. That's all that is. Angel, what up? Craig Perry. Yeah. Newts, Newts, I lost all respect for you because you missed, you didn't get 90% of that move. Even though you got some of it. You didn't get enough of it. So I lost respect for you, bro. Look at this fucking rejection off the 618. Look at it. It went down. Well, it went down to the VWAP. It went to, oh, look, it bounced right off of 400. So about 44 ticks. Nah, you don't. Yeah, nah, Dave. It's all about having 5 days of $100 or more, and then the 40% consistency rule also is a factor on the starter and starter accounts. Just starter accounts, not starter plus. Starter plus and expert don't have that shit. Starter plus, you do have to have 5 days of $100 or more, but there's no consistency rule. No respect. No respect. P shenanigan. D, I saw your message about the Capital One thing. You know, if I let you do that, then I'd have to let everybody do shit like that. But that is a good deal. Some people watch this shit. They think it's so fucking easy to trade and stream and trade and engage with everybody. I mean, I put myself out there and I put myself in the line of fire, but like shit ain't easy. Dave Ramsey. We bounced right off the VWAP. It was a nice even number. So you see how gold, you see, I don't know if you guys notice how I count ticks in gold and just count and just look at the numbers on gold. We're at $2,942.08. 2942.8 is the price right now. That's the price of gold on the, that's the price on this chart. I just look at the last 3 numbers. I see 423. That's all I see. I don't care about anything else. Just like here, we bounce off of 400. I just look at the last 3 numbers, and that's how I count the ticks and shit. That's all I care about. I just pretend there's no decimal there, and I pretend that there's no other numbers before the last 3 numbers. Not 3K, bro. These two, I'm gonna request 925 each, so 1850. And then these are on day 4. These are on day 4, and I'm already at 2,000. I'm already over 2,000. So I think I want to push these to a max payout, to max payout land the first time through. That's what I'm going to shoot for, because that could be $6,000, another $6,000, and I could do that before the month is over. But I don't know. Yeah, 2,600 Newts, 2,600 you have to get to. 2,600 is the buffer, and you could request down to 2,100 on the 50Ks. $21,871 on the NQ. Maybe. I mean, that's right up. I could maybe. It needs to get over the VWAP for that to happen. It might not happen until fucking PPI. Or PPI could just send it right back down. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, like, this is basically the 50 mark on the happy Fibonacci. We rejected off the 50 marker right here, the midline. It's almost looking like it's forming a head and shoulders. We got the head, we got the shoulders here, the shoulder right here, got a head, and now we got another shoulder forming here. So I don't know. We could just chop. We could just chop like this until we get to when CPI happens. And then it's going to either fucking confirm the head and shoulders and dump or fucking pop or both. Because that's what, look what happened here. Well, we dumped, right? 300 points or whatever for CPI. And then we fucking bounced and went, we not only did we bounce, we fucking went higher than where we were when CPI happened. So I don't know. But here's the rejection. This is down 30, 30 points from this midline. Very, very wick. Gold is very wicky right now. This is the 15-minute chart. Oh, that's the 5. Well, on the NQ at least. It doesn't look good. We couldn't even retest the fucking bottom orb. Not yet, at least. Nice, right? TJP, what up? By the way, Apex is still 80% off, guys. Thought I'd share that with you. For like another week. It's going on for another week. They are becoming habitual sale extenders again, which is always a good thing. So there's my link. Use coupon code ZERODAYJAY. Take Profit Trader is 50% off. Still no daily loss limit. 50% off Take Profit Trader. Using the best code ZERODAYJ. My funded futures, you could get, what's up, Miller? You could get expert, you could get 25% off expert accounts at My Funded Futures and 5% off of everything else using switching to ACH. 5% off resets, 5% off whatever. There's my link. My link. Bulenox is 83% off. 83% off Bulenox option 1 using code ZERODAYJ. There's my link. Yeah, they bumped it, Avi. They bumped it. It's 125 now. So you have a decision to make. I think it's still $85 a month if you trade on Rhythmic. And it's $105 on Tradeovate per month. So you got to know yourself. Can you hold on to accounts for more than fucking 30 days? Funded accounts? If the answer is no, maybe you shouldn't fucking pay $125 for the lifetime activation fee, right? Yeah, Crank. 90% is fucking amazing, but 80% is good too, especially when they're doing 50% by default. By the way, best code for all of this is ZERODAYJAY. Not only does it have the highest pass rate, but it also has the highest payout rate and the fastest payout rate. According to the prop firm Streets, of course. I don't have actual data to confirm that, but the DGen data tells me that's the case. Shit never gets old. Not for me, at least. Trade day is 20% off, by the way. Maybe sooner than Memorial Day. I don't know. They need a good reason why. Yeah, Miller. Those are good. Monthly is 105, Calvin. On Tradeovate. On Rhythmic, I think it's 85. Yeah, Newts is 85 on Rhythmic. It's 105 on Tradeovate. What if Darrell wants to blow everybody kisses and go mwah on Valentine's Day? Mwah! He has 90% off. See, look, gold fucking bounced. Gold did reject it, but it bounced right off the fucking VWAP. Yo, your wife's gotta tell these fucking clowns to stop making, indecisiveness. You gotta tell her to tell them. Successful people make decisions fast and they change them slow, and unsuccessful people make decisions slow and they change them fast. So make a fucking decision, dog. Visa or MasterCard? Yeah, nice job, Farrell. Is My Fund the Future's hard to get funded? No, I don't think so. You could pass in one day. It's just harder to do it in one trade. You know what I mean? Because you can only trade like a 50K starter. A 50K starter, you can only trade with 3 minis. So 3 minis of the NQ, you need 50 and a quarter points. You need 50 points and a tick to get to 3,000. Whether you do it in one trade or a series of trades, that's how much you need. You like that, Elaine? I learned that from Napoleon Hill. And Newts. I lost all respect for you when you and Zach were making fun of me for blowing blowing that fucking Take Profit Trader account. Did you see the GIF I posted after I passed the other one? Here, let me show you. Let me show you. What up, Calvin? What's Miss Day J getting for Valentine's Day? You know what she's getting. You know what she's getting. Where is this shit? I saw you guys fucking laugh. I was like, these motherfuckers. You and fucking Zach. I was like, you motherfuckers. Where the fuck? We have too much fun in here. Where is it? Where is it? I was just showing you guys before. I know you weren't making fun. Whatever. It's cool, man. You guys are you thought it was funny that I was fucking, because it happened. Dude, Newts, tell me how many fucking times it doesn't happen, bro. How many fucking times? I know you weren't making fun of me, but you know how it is. Like Jordan. Jordan will find anything and take it personal. You know what I mean? So I took it personal. And then I went and passed the other account. So I passed it, right? I passed the other one. And then I was like, who's laughing now, motherfuckers? And then I posted this GIF. This family-friendly gift. I didn't even see. That's the first time I seen that one in there. I was looking for suck it gifts, but I didn't want to use the the typical this shit. So this gem was in there. Yeah, yeah. One up. Yeah, she won't get this finger. Nah, I don't know. Well, I got her a brand new iPhone thanks to T-Mobile fucking saying I just wanted to upgrade my fucking plan to get like you never get throttled on my mobile hotspot. And like, oh, by the way, if you add another line, it'd be free forever, and we'll give you a free iPhone. I was like, okay. I had to pay tax. I paid like $65 for a $700 phone. So she's getting the iPhone 15. Well, it just came in the mail, and obviously I'm sending her some flowers. We're gonna go out for Valentine's Day next week. We're gonna go out to dinner somewhere in the Venetian. I'm not sure where yet. What up? Yeah, yeah. All good. One up. Technical trader, roast beef, Honey Nut Cheerios, live futures newbie. What up, man? You got a proof of your first payout ever through Apex. Hey, man. Congratulate. Hey, let's all pound that confetti like roast beef, like it's Valentine's Day for fucking newbie trader. Fuck yeah. Great job, man. Great fucking job. Yeah, I remember he was saying he lives in Russia. He's hanging out with Putin. Yeah, good shit, bro. I'm really happy for you, man. Is that your first ever payout from a prop firm or just from Apex? What up, Robert? Ali, what's good? First ever from any prop. Yo, we really got to pound that confetti. He popped his cherry. I don't remember it taking a lot of accounts, a lot of blown accounts. I think you did it relatively quickly. Popped his fucking cherry, his prop firm cherry. Apex doesn't. Yeah, I know, Craig. Apex doesn't pay their traders. That shit's just getting fucking old, isn't it? That whole fucking thing. I don't know. I think it's getting old. It's like the Apex bashing. It's like, bro, people are still fucking mad that like they got denied their payouts in May. It's like you didn't lose the account. You could have just kept fucking trading it. Get over it. What up, Cashall? That's all right, Raider. Better doing it on day one than day 8. You know what I'm saying? I love gold. I love gold. I love gold. This is me right now. It's me. Oh, can we go to the present? Here I am. Oh my god. Yeah, it's one thing to make. Yeah, who you love making fun of? Apex or the people that fucking just hate Apex so much? Show me on this doll where Harry hurt you. Oh my god. What are we doing here? Just chopping around? We're just humping around? You were watching Austin Powers last night? That's great, man. I haven't seen those are some classic movies. Fucking funny ass shit. I'm your Faja. Oh my god. He was like, how many different he played like I mean, obviously he was across multiple fucking versions of the movie, like sequels and shit, but he played like 8 or 9 different characters. That's fucking that's like old school shit. Yeah, they're spewing FUD. It's like let me ask you guys something. Let's do a poll. with this whole fucking Leo versus Apex thing. I did a poll in the Discord. Where was it? I want to word it exactly the same. Excuse me. I gotta find it. Where's the fucking poll? I wish I could see like results of polls. Not a ton of people took out. Here it is. No matter what happens with Apex. So we're gonna do a poll in here because there's more people on the stream right now. This is for people. This is for you guys who trade with Apex right now, not someone who used to trade and you stopped trading with them months ago because he said fuck Apex, or someone who's never going to trade with Apex because they're scammers, right? This is for people who actively trade Apex or would actively trade Apex if they weren't like committed to another prop firm right now because of whatever reason. So no matter what happens with Apex versus this fucking Leo guy, Mr. Extortionist, will you still trade with Apex? This is only if you still trade with them. Only for those who are actively, only for Apex traders. Well, whatever. This is for those who are on fucking stream right now. Yes or no? Pretty simple fucking question. 82% who took the fucking poll, who answered said yes. Nobody gives a fuck. Clearly. Especially like they're paying people. They're paying people. And I did the same thing for Top Step. I did the same type of poll for Top Step. And surprisingly, less people said yes because of the whole Top Step thing. Now Top Step has announced that they're gonna start banning traders who are deemed to be a liability to their prop firm, who are scheming and scamming. That's what I thought. 22 votes so far. But I said no matter what happens with Apex versus Leo, people swear they're going to go out of business. I'm like, they literally just paid $20 million to people last month. They gave one person $1.5 million. Exactly, Calvin. Cash Crab, what up? Yeah, you can feel that way about Top Step. Leo's the guy that's suing them. Ha. You love to see it. You love to see it. That's money right there, bro. That's fucking money. Jamie isn't a streamer. Still got paid though. Not an affiliate, not a YouTuber. Still got paid. But I think the whole thing with Top Step now. What up, Sharp now? Well, people said the same thing about Fast Track. It's a completely different animal. It's apples and oranges. Yeah, it seemed like a cash flow. Yeah, it just seemed like that. 81%. Get in my belly. I could give a fuck less about that shit. Hey, you going to bed? Oh. Good night. Good night. Oh, yeah, I'm like sitting on my leg. Sweet dreams. Gold's just cruising. Gold did. We're back at the 618, and it rejected off of it again. But it's just riding up along this 30. This white line is the 34 EMA. It's just riding up along that 34. And then like the whole top step thing, I think what they're doing, you got people who are I don't know this for a fact. Like I don't have any insider information, you know. I don't care that much. But people are talking about it, right? So it comes up. But like you got people that they'll trade, they will max out XFAs. They will take them to the brink of being forced to go live. They'll have 5 of them. They'll max that shit out. And then right before they're going to get enough profit to go live, they'll blow the accounts on purpose and then start over again and do the same thing and just keep rinsing and repeating. Top Step wants people to go live. That is, you know, I could see that. I could see them seeing that as a violation of their terms of service based on what the email they put out the other day about telling people what's about to start happening. And I think that's one of the type of people that they want to get rid of. Crankberry. Maybe they will. Maybe they will. I don't know. People got scared after seeing what happened to fuck them traders. And yeah, fuck them. You know? I feel like that whole fucking thing was premeditated. He took all the money that was being made and fucking took it and bought and invested it in other shit instead of keeping a fucking bankroll to fucking cover payouts. Total fucking scumbag move. I want to trade, but I don't know. I'm just not. Man, that's 20 ticks. Fucking A, man. Fuck. Cashcraft. I mean, that's yeah. And then they, you know, it's funny. They're also like saying how they have like this. Not everybody there, but Dakota's got like this weird obsession with calling, you know, the whole Simfluencer thing. It's like, bro, that's what you are. That's what you did until you got your live accounts. Stevie J, that's not a bad. I wish I knew how to just take the L for the day and move on and live to see another day. I can tell you one thing because of what's happening with Apex and the Leo dude. I'm probably never ever going to trade our day traders. Ever. That dude has all of our data without our permission. Yeah, of course, newbie, bro. Everybody puts all these prop firms have rules to protect their bag. If they go out of business, they're not paying anybody. So they need to stay in business. They need to do what they got to do. They need to make the rules as such. But like these new rules aren't even that bad. It's not working. They still paid out $20 million in January. They need to come up with something better. He used some guy that used to, you know, that used to work at Apex or was a partner at Apex or something, and they had a falling out. And he started his own prop firm, violated his non-compete, but that's besides the point, and is suing Apex for unpaid money and all this shit. And all this weird shit is coming out. Yeah, with no fear. Yeah, I mean, whatever. Yeah, exactly, Cashcraft. Exactly, bro. Why go live when you could just do that trading sim? Fuck me. No, I missed it. I fucking missed it. Look, it rejected off the 618 again. What's the NQ doing? NQ's gold is moving. I missed it. I mean, No problem, use no problem. The other thing that no one's talking about, well, people are talking about, is that whole fucking Patrick fucking wrecked Danny. Unfortunately for Danny, but you know, you open yourself up to shit like that. You don't want to poke the bear, And now Danny has stepped down from as the CEO of Funded Futures Family. He is no longer a part of that. Maybe he still has a stake in the company, but he will not be this. He's no longer the CEO. He might disappear into obscurity. I don't know. Or he'll just keep streaming or whatever. But that's not a good look for a new prop firm when shit like that happens. Kathy, yeah. Snahil, what up? He owns Day Traders. He's the one that's suing Apex. I almost went long here. Look at this shit go. I don't know. Something happened. Some shit gets, you know how it is. You know how it is on the prop firm streets. Shit gets said. These guys all have egos, and they start. It starts off as like just a little little poking fun, and then it just escalates. And you don't want to fucking get on Patrick's bad side, because he will find shit about you if you have anything to be dug up. Ask Rips. Now ask Danny. What up, Olisa? What up? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, that's interesting. I saw that too. I heard about that. Or maybe he just got a really special deal. Where's Rips? I don't know, man. He still has his audience. I mean, I don't know. I don't think he stopped streaming. Trader JMB. That's what happened? Also, it started way back then. Ian Connor, what up? Well, yeah, I saw that, Ian. The whole demo account thing, but yeah, I don't know. Patrick beats with everyone, or he just starts shit with people. It's good marketing, but man, this blew up in their face, not in his face. Fufu, what up? Yeah, I could see that. I could see that. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Did you watch that live stream where he exposed him with his name change, the whole name change thing, and then and Rips is watching. So Patrick is watching. So he's talking about all this shit, right? Exposing Rips, his name, Alexander, he changed his last name, all this shit. Talked about how he got all this trouble he got into. And and then while he's streaming, Patrick's watching Rips. He did it knowing that Rips was streaming and knowing that it was going to get back to him while he was streaming. So Patrick is streaming, talking about all this shit. And then he's watching Rips react to Patrick exposing all this shit. And then Patrick is reacting to Rips' reaction. It was fucking hilarious. I was laughing out loud. It was fucking funny. It was really fucking fun. I feel bad. It sucks that, Rips was in the line of fire, but they've always, they always had some sort of beef with each other. What up, Sammy? Yeah, Crank. The whole thing, yeah, you know, and he fucked up. He fucked up with the whole, you know, when he was making, you know, making fun of Asians, and he fucking doubled down on it. Like, dude, you can't be doing that as the face of a fucking prop firm of any company. You know, you want to do that shit. You want to make fun of them, like, you know, on your own time, like, who with a trusted confidant, and you just joking around and fucking around, fine. But like publicly, and then making another video to double down on it, and you're running a fucking prop firm. What about all the customers that you have that are fucking Asian? Like, I don't think they took it as a joke. Future's Empress. The Future's Empress. What a name. Yeah, Ian Connor. Yeah. Big time conflict of interest. Owning a prop firm, you're basically banking on more than 90% of the people losing, you know, losing money. It's just the nature of the beast. And then you have a signals thing trading people how to become good traders. You can't have both. Use, thank you, thank you. I mean, obviously, I can't even wear fucking Patrick's jockstrap, but you know, if I could fucking get payouts habitually, anybody could get habitual payouts. But thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, some people do get offended. You know what I'm saying? Some people did. It's just you just don't do that. I don't know. I don't even care. I wasn't going to trade with that prop firm anyway. Yeah, I don't know. It just goes to show you got to like. And then he made a video recently saying it was accident. He made a mistake. It was the wrong account. Whatever, bro. I don't know. That's why I don't hide any of my account numbers. All my shit's out there. What is someone going to say about me? You blow so many accounts. You post your link too many times. You post your affiliate links too many times in the fucking chat. Okay. How can you ethically run a prop firm though? Coach Calvin, that is a good question. Easy. Just people think that like their prop firms exist to make a profit, period. End of story. So they're gonna, you know, they're gonna fucking put shit in place to stack the odds in their favor. And the ones that don't are the ones that end up Matthew. It's the dude that's suing Apex. I think you're fucking with me, but J Trade, yeah. Yeah. Fufu, yup. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. You like Jay Dunn, yeah. Yeah, like I could just see fucking Jay Dunn just being like, every time something happens, it's because of Danny, and he's like, fuck, you know? And I don't have anything against Danny. I'm just watching it as a fucking independent observer, not with any ties to the prop firm. You know what I mean? Just watching it from the outside, you know. It's just, you know, I could see that. Like they're partners. Jay Dunn was on the back end basically, and Danny was like the face, the CEO, you know. The fuck gold cannot get over that 618. I'm just worried that it did a little bit. Look, it just can't get over this shit. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's moving though. Look at fucking gold moving. Fuck it. Oh my god, I didn't get filled. I'm kind of glad. It keeps fucking going up though. It's making higher highs. So I don't know what it's making higher highs. I feel like I'm gonna get filled on this and regret it. It keeps making higher highs. which tells me that it might blow through the 618 at some point. I hate being indecisive. Yeah, you gotta carry yourself. That's what like the whole issue with Scott from fucking Fuck Them Traders. The guy was such a fucking prick. You could tell he's never really had money before because he acted like he was king shit when he finally started making some money. And he was, and then they stopped, and then they started not being able to pay people, and he would do these live streams in the Discord and basically sit on his throne, his self-appointed throne, like he was king shit, and basically pick whoever was begging him the best and inflating his ego the most and pay them. You got to lick the fucking peanut butter to get paid by him, once September and October rolled around, if you got paid at all. Yeah, crank. Sociopath. Zach. Don't worry, Zach. Don't worry, Zach. I passed the other one. So we're good. At least I passed one of them. Goal's just like fucking crazy. And Scott used to like talk shit about me like he was just some dude that hangs out on people's streams and in Discord. It's like, bro, you running a fucking prop firm, bro. Why are you talking? Why are you worried about me? Because I made a video saying I see some red flags. It's not like the video got like 500,000 views. Like, it's okay, bro. I don't have to fucking like your prop firm or trade there. And he turned a bunch of people. He would sick people on me like they were his fucking minions. It's fucking weirdo behavior, man. Like, fuck you. Didn't end well for you guys. Yeah, Raider. 1 mini of gold is $10 per tick. So a micro is $1 per tick. Exactly, Sammy. Yeah, Jamila was there for all that. All these fucking weirdos would come in here and start fucking talking shit and be like, Fast Track's the best. Apex is going under. Fast Track forever. Like they had it fucking tattooed on their fucking belly. Fucking weirdos. It's fucking raining out here. It's raining. It's raining in Vegas right now, in the desert. Stott still owes me 8K. Oh man. The NQ is going up. Kind of just bounce, like it was a weird place. That was a weird bounce. Actually, not really. You got support right here. You got support right here, and you got support right here. It's up 26 points. Now it's at another. Now it's at a critical area. Will it reject off of this resistance here, or is it going to push through and go to the next level of resistance, which is where the VWAP is? Flash flood, watch it. Yeah. I don't know. I'm okay. I'm up on a mountain. I'm not susceptible to the flash flooding. It doesn't. I've never got. Well, actually, there was like that hurricane that fucking blew through. Remember that hurricane that was in like San Diego and SoCal? That shit blew over this way, and it fucking rained hard for like a few days. And I was like, I thought my fucking pool might overflow. It rained that much, but it hasn't rained here in a fucking while. Ali, $1,500. You're up 1,500. Yeah, so don't fucking trade anymore then. If you already know that you're gonna lose the next 3 trades, don't even fucking trade anymore. Technical trader. It seems it's rampant. It's rampant in the prop firm space. It's crazy. Big Blue. Yeah, I was just talking about it before. I don't think I'm good enough to trade on my own personal account for starters, and I'd rather fucking pay. I'd rather grab the same amount of drawdown for pennies on the dollar and deal with some bullshit rules than fucking use all of that. Like for me to, all right, we'll talk about my funded futures. I could grab an account. Uh, I could get a starter account for 90, well, for like $92. I still have some that are $80 because I grabbed some before the price increase. But right now, if you were to grab a fucking my fund futures starter account and use the ACH option as your payment method and put in code ZERODAYJAY, you can save 5%. So look at this, man. Go fucking gold. This is why I fucking cancel that order intelligently. I'd be down fucking 30 ticks. Is it going to pump though? So for $92, I could get a fucking my funded futures account, pass it, and not have to pay another dollar. And for $92, I just bought myself $2,000 of drawdown, and I could work that account to a payout. Whereas if I fucking wanted to trade a personal account with no rules, for me to get the same $2,500 it's $2,500 of drawdown. Sorry, not 2,000. $2,500 of drawdown will cost me $2,500. What happens if I fucking go on, I just go on a fucking bender of tilt and I fucking blow the account? I'm not losing $92. I'm losing $2,500. That's why I don't fuck with personal accounts. I just don't think I'm good enough yet. Doesn't mean I don't take the money and invest it in shit. I just don't invest it in fucking a live personal account. I don't know. But that's just me. Maybe one day I will. Maybe one day all of this prop firm shit will be gone. So I won't have a choice. Yeah, exactly, Fufu. Yeah, I'm still, man, it's been the fucking weirdest thing how I have not gotten a payout from Take Profit Trader yet. It's so fucking weird and annoying considering for whatever reason, I don't want to say it's easy, but I get payouts from Apex with relative ease at this point. Aside from when I'm fumbling the bag and blowing accounts on day 7 and 8 and shit like that, I have gotten a lot of Apex payouts. I just locked in another 2 right here. I have to request them and get approved, obviously. but for whatever reason, Take Profit Trade. I've gotten a bunch with my fund, the futures. I've even gotten one with Top Step. I got one with Trade Day. But fucking Take Profit Trader, I don't know what it is about it. Adrian Lorenzo rolling in the benzo. Tactical trader, yeah, I get it, man. Well, you're in the live environment, Big Blue. It's a little different, but it's about the same. It's, the simulated environment is basically mimicking the live environment. If prop firms go, we will enter a bear market, maybe. Adrian Lorenzo, what up, man? I'm 45 also, tactical trader. I am 45 as well. See, look, it's not, let's see. Well, that's actually the NQ. Let me go back to this shit. Look at fucking gold, man. Amazing. It's up 108 ticks from that fucking bounce, from that last low. That's awesome, Fufu. That's fucking great, man. I can't wait. Because once I get my first payout, I feel like the floodgates are going to open. I'm just going to get a fuck ton of payouts. It's just, I don't know. I must be putting too much pressure on myself or something when it comes to Take Profit Trader. Or, I mean, just in general as a whole lately. But definitely with Take Profit Trader. This shit. The only thing I'm worried about is that it's going to make new highs. Yeah. We're going to draw another happy little Fibonacci for the upside. It's at the 707 right now. It's just riding up this fucking 34. My wife did tell me it was going to rain. Can't believe it's still raining. 45 years young. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah, they're great without the daily. I love them with the daily losses, but now like those smaller accounts are fucking good accounts. Interesting. We rejected off the 707 so far. Not much though. I'm just like not making decisions here, but whatever. I'm still learning how to trade gold. I'm not like, I mean, I'm still learning how to trade the NQ. I'm not like fucking like this gold connoisseur. I just love it now. I love gold. Look at, I did all of this with gold. This is all with gold. These accounts are fucking looking great. These three, they're fucking 4 days in and they're halfway to a max payout. That would be amazing. I love gold. I want to do something, but fuck, man. What's up, Shari? How you doing? Gold is great, but I got I got played by gold. That's why I never really fucked with gold all too much, because a lot of times I would get fucking played. Like it will fucking fuck around with you before it finally decides which way it goes. And like I was right about moves, and I fucking like for instance, like these accounts. I had these 3 accounts. I had take profits. Like, when did I trade them? I think I did all my trading around here. When was my last trade? $11.12. I'm in the wrong account. Stupid. All right. So this is everything. So like I was getting fucking eaten alive in this chop, and I had to take profit down here, like right above this area of fucking support, below the VWAP. And like I had to deal with all of this shit, and then this, and then this, and all this was happening. And then sure enough, it finally came down there. If I could have just sat through that and withstood it, I would have fucking gotten what I wanted, what I thought was going to happen. But it did all of this shit first before it happened. That's the thing about gold that you got to, be aware of. Don't let NASDAQ, yeah. Dude, the NQ's been really fucking with me, man. It's almost been untradeable for me. It's just been fucking brutal. So we rejected off the 707. Let's see if we hold the 34s here. No? It kept making new highs, though. Making higher, not new highs, but higher highs. But it's already down 25 ticks already. Trader guys, stop trading. The numbers are changing. The numbers have changed. I wonder if whoever took this poll, I should have added in parentheses if you are currently trading with Apex, but whatever. More people said yes than no. Yeah. I'm with you, bro. See, look, it fucking bounced. The 34 is still holding. I don't know. Fucking motherfucker, man. I'm gonna regret this. What account? I don't even know if I'm in the right account. Oh, this one is up $500, dude. This is only $500 away from being blown, though. You know, because of the trailing drawdown. So I don't know if. Well, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. We're probably gonna blow it. It's probably gonna blow. There's only $500 left. Let's see if I even get filled. It's right on it. It's right. It's fucking right on it, and it didn't fill me. You gotta fucking be kidding me. Look at it. Literally went right up to it. I'm gonna. Oh, too late. Too late. $500 and a dream. Still trying to figure out if you can trade. I think, you know, I think it's just a constant fucking evolution, especially like I feel like I had to relearn some things or learn some new things because of how this market's been now that Trump's in. I feel like we're always going to have to be constantly adjusting. John O'Connor, what up? Oh, yo, he's doing great. He's doing great, actually. He gained a ton of weight. Like he's healthy looking now. He's still high maintenance though. Like he has like serious like gut issues. He fucking very sensitive stomach. Very sensitive stomach, but he's good. We ended up like officially adopting him a couple months after we brought him home. But yeah, he's good. He's chilling. But yeah, you know what? A lot of that is just he had some fucking that man. It has been a while. He had some fucked up ear infection when we first got him. Like his ear infection, and he had like so much fucking shit in his ears that it was fucking making him crazy. He just likes hanging out. He just likes laying next to somebody. That's all he wants to do. Yeah. Well, he was just my scapegoat. I was just blaming him. I needed to blame somebody instead of taking some personal responsibility. So I blamed the dog. You know? Well, I had $120, not anymore. That's what I'm saying. It keeps fucking riding up this 34. I thought that would be a good spot for a rejection. It just wants to go up. I mean, I have 3 bulenox accounts. I have 3 bulenox funded accounts I have to activate that I passed Tuesday. They're waiting for me to activate them. So I don't even know if I necessarily need any more funded accounts with them, but I think I'm just going to group them together too. Copy trade them with fucking Project SlipX. Crankberry, yeah. You definitely got to be a little bit of a psychopath to fucking put yourself through the shit that we put ourselves through with this trading, especially trading futures. Yeah, yeah, that dog. Maybe that dog. Yeah, I got fucking Harvey chilling with me. He's my partner in crime. He's always hanging out when I'm streaming at night, at least. He likes hanging out with me when I'm up. He'll sleep on the bed. He'll sleep on the bed behind me in the kitchen if hanging out in there, and if I'm in here. Oh, there we go. If I'm in here, he'll he'll hang out with me in here. But we said just celebrated his 1 year adoption day. So earlier this week we had him. It was officially a year since we adopted him. I'm giving myself some wiggle room with this account now. Uh-oh. Let me lock this in. Let's see if I get 140. Or maybe I can get more. What did I get on that? Dude, look at that bullshit. It said 160 and I ended up with 133. Fucking slippage bullshit. Fucking bullshit. God, it's so fucking annoying. It's not even fucking close to the 160 it said on the fucking screen. Actually, that's a lower high. Fucking motherfuckers. When's the next Apex Passes Smash stream? Well, I got all these bulenox accounts, and it doesn't work out. I don't know if it works out overall. I got some of these left. I got 3 I got to activate. I do want to grab some more Apex accounts at 80% off. I got these 5 funded accounts that I've been focused on. I just got tired of blowing accounts. So, but these 3 are halfway there. Halfway to max payout land, and they're 4 days in, which is interesting. And these 2 I'm going to request. Is that the Williams alligator on my screen? You talking about the dog? What's up, buddy? Oh, gold wants to drop. I don't know. Honestly, it wants to, but I don't know if it wants to. Like, will it? Making higher lows here. Every low is higher. Higher lows, higher highs. The triple EMA. Yeah, that was awful, bro. That slippage. Let me just confirm that shit said. Fuck, man. Yeah, I moved that shit down to 160. It said 160 on the screen. I ended up with 1 fucking 33. Bullshit. Fucking bullshit. Oh, there it goes. You fucking motherfucker, bro. $441. Down another 9 ticks. Damn, I'm getting fucking tired. I am fucking tired. This is what I get. I'm so annoyed. I mean, I gave myself a little bit more wiggle room, but man, it could have been another whatever 180. You motherfucker, man. What's NQ doing? Oh shit. NQ finally fucking hit the fucking the bottom orb and rejected off of it. Ooh. DS, what up? Well, we got a big red folder event happening. We got we had GDP, which dumped the market, and then and it's trying to bounce back, and then we got PPI in 5.5 hours, basically, in unemployment claims. And then I'm sure if Trump speaks, they're going to add him to the fucking list of red folder events because he's a walking red folder event. Look, never saw that with fucking Biden. So the market's going to do whatever. That really depends on what PPI and unemployment claims does. If it's positive, it's going to go up. If it's negative, it's going to go down. But even if it is negative and goes down, it's probably going to bounce at some point. We just don't know where the bottom's going to be. You like that, FOMO? You like that? What up, traders each? Nice job, trader guy. He really is, though, man. It's crazy. Uh-oh. This shit went up and filled me up here? Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Fucking gold. Look at that. Oh, boy. I think you can. I just don't know how to do it. I don't really know how to do it. What up, Trader 205? Awesome, man. Thank you. I mean, I'm tired, so I don't have as much energy as I do during my power hour streams. But I also stream during power hour, 2 and through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. You should come hang out then too if you can, if you're around, because there's a little more energy in the room. Can you trade news? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm so glad I have all the answers. Let's see. Bulenox. I don't know. It doesn't say anything about it, but I don't know. Yeah, they did make some recent changes. I don't know. I wish I knew the answer. Buy the dip, boys and girls. I'm still hanging in this trade. The problem with buying the dip is, when is the bottom going to be in? And are you going to get faked out with a dead cat bounce? Yeah, traders each. Join the club, bro. I'm not even really trading NQ right now. I'm trading gold more than anything. Yeah, P. Yeah, it's not a surefire fucking thing. Don Burberry. Which way does it? Does it want to keep going down? Fuck me. I'll lock in 100. Let's see if it ends up. Let's see what I got on that one. 80 bucks. 87 bucks. Let's see. 80 bucks. It was on 100. This fucking slippage. Holy fuck. Yeah, Don. The only one worth getting is the rules aren't that bad. They don't really have more. Oh my God. There it goes. Whatever. I'm fucking over it. I'm over it. I got 207 bucks. I mean, I gave myself a little bit more room. But the only account worth getting at bulenox is the 50K. But you could get, what is 83% off? I think they're 29 bucks for 50Ks. And then the activation fee is 148. Look at this. Of course, I got it at 444. It's down 5 more ticks, 6 ticks. It's 120 bucks. Whatever. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kill me. Fucking kill me. I'm such a pussy, man. Just fucking hold. Just hold. Oh. That's 200 bucks. 200 more bucks I'd have. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. At least I added 200 to the account. I wanted more. 11 ticks. Oh, I missed it. I guess I could have marketed in. I don't know. I'm fucking tired anyway. What up, Mr. Beg Beef? You catch me as I'm like dozing off, man. I don't know. I don't know how much more I have in the tank. Be good, newbie. Great job on getting your first ever payout with any prop firm, which also happened to be Apex. Love to see it, man. The first of many. The first of many. Yeah, it's 148 for the 50K. I think there are other prop firms that use it, Don. I just don't know which ones. A lot of them probably use it because they can't get trade evade. What up, Eric J? Yeah, man, Mr. Beg Beef, I'm fucking fading fast. I'm so pissed about that. I would have loved another 200 bucks. All I had to do was just hold. Story of my life, man. That's what she said. But yeah, it is what it is. It's a sign that I should just stop and go to bed. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm shot. So I'm gonna pack it in. Let me cancel all these orders. Make sure there's no orders here. I'll be on for Power Hour, 2 and through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. If you want to hang out, I'll be around. Obviously, it won't just be hanging out with me. You'll be hanging out with each other. And there's always awesome people who hang out during that Power Hour stream. Just like everybody's super chilling here now. So with that said, thank you so much for hanging out, guys. It was a pleasure, as always. Smash the like button on your way out. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these fucking streams or any of my update videos. And I'll see you guys next time, all right? Peace.